Yeah, good morning, friends. I just want to show you how you can, for the first time, start your Google Colab in case when you are new to this and it's the first time you want to use the Google Colab. Okay, so the first thing to do is you go to Google Drive and where you want to start the first coding. In case you don't have the app yet in your Google Colab, is very simple. Just right click. Okay, when you right click, you options here. You do more. From more, go to connect more apps. Then you see this page will pop up. Yeah, so when you see this, you can now type collaboratory. So once you type CO, collaboratory comes up. So when this comes up, you will see collaboratory, see like this. So you see this. When you select this, you say install. Okay, then you say continue. Then it opens up uh, this tab. Okay, so you close this tab and ask you to give access. So just select continue. Okay, you say continue, give it some moment. So when that is done, all you need to do is you continue. You'll see collaborator has been installed, and then you just close. Okay, and you'll see is where it's on. So you just close this one in. Okay. After that, if you want to, you right click again, go to more, and you can find it's showing your Google Collaboratory. So once you click on Collaboratory, that's going to be opened for you on that page. Okay. So when that opens, you'll see it showing loading. So you give it some time, it will load, and when it loads, you are good to go, right? So very easy to work. Okay, so go back or folder, you will see that that file you just opened from there, it's already in that folder where you want to perform the analysis. So this way you can easily start your Google Collaboratory from the beginning and from scratch. So do have a great day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also drop your comments in the comment if you need something more. I'll be happy to share. Thank you.